Okay class, no? Good day. So yung topic natin ngayong araw ay continuation nung mga chapters na diniscuss natin last meeting, yung accounts receivable and notes receivable, no? Yung topic natin ngayong araw ay tungkol naman sa loan receivable, no? So just to give you an idea class, as far as the measurement is concerned, pertaining to loan receivable, halos parehas lang ito ng sa accounts and notes receivable. Simply because they just follow one accounting standard, yung PFRS 9 financial instruments. Okay? Ngayon class, itong loan receivable natin, para mas maintindihan mo, there are two parties here. We have the financial institution and we have the borrower. Okay. So, just to make this clear to you, class, yung kasing financial institution dito, class, normally, sila yung nag-recognize ng loan receivable. Not all companies, class, are recognizing loan receivable in their balance sheet. Kasi, class, yung financial institution ang merong class, under normal circumstances, nagpapautang kay borrower. I'll give you an example, relationship ng banks and its clients, yung mga borrowers niya. In this case, nagre-recognize siya ng loan receivable at nasa perspective tayo ng financial institution. Loan receivable sa kanya, sa part ni client or ni borrower, loan payable. Ngayon class, take a look at this one, Sa isa kasing loan receivable class, which is based on a written contract, or contract of loan. Okay? Sa written contract na ito class, may mga laman yan na dapat nating intindihin. Halimbawa, let's start with number 1, we have the principal, principal loan, Next we have yung kanyang nominal rate. Okay. Next we have class, the effective interest rate. And next we have the due date. Yan, class, So, kung titignan nyo, class, may apat tayong mga consideration na nasa written contract. Una, principal. So, pag sinabing principal, class, ito yung loan amount, So, halimbawa, let's say, 10 million pesos. So, ito yung principal mo. Ngayon, class, eto, makinig ng mabuti. Kailangan mo matutunan what is the difference between a nominal rate and effective interest rate. Why? Yung nominal rate kasi, ito yung stated rate in the contract. Ito yung naka-disclose na interest rate sa contract of loan mo. So let's say 10%. Yun ang given ito. Okay? So yan ang alam mo. Halimbawa 10%, that means 1 million pesos yung interest income niya. So 10 million times 10%, yun ang alam mong interest. But please take note class, that's not the case, Hindi ganon, basically kasi nga may effective interest pa tayong kino-consider. Ano yun, sir? Ito kasing effective interest rate, Ito, hindi to disclosed, But this is based on the company's policy. So, halimbawa, for 10 million pesos, ang effective interest rate is 12%. So, tandaan nyo, class, yung 12% na to, basically, hindi siya nakikita sa face nung loan. Pero dun sa other terms, class, nung contract, kung maghihingi ka ng amortization table, papakita sa yung effective interest rate. No? Pero, class, no, ayon sa batas, dapat, class, pareho, nakikialam, no? Disclose yan as per Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Na dapat, yung effective interest rate mapakita din sa borrower. Ano bang pinagkaiba ng nominal at effective interest rate? Pag kasi sinabing nominal rate, ito yung stated rate. Pag effective interest rate, tandaan nyo class, this is the true interest rate. Ito ang totoo, tunay na interest percentage. Okay? Next is we have the due date. So wala tayong problema sa due date or settlement date, no? Lastly, no, yung settlement terms, no? O yung terms of payment. So pag sinabing terms of payment ito, it could be per year, per annum basis, or lump sum, no? Installment or lump sum basis. Take note ha, nominal rate and effective interest rate or market or prevailing market interest rate are not the same. Okay? Class, no? Mamaya i-discuss natin ito. Okay? Bakit siya importante? Class? Sige. Okay. So, we're done, no? Dun sa concept ni loan receivable class, no? Okay. Kung muna to. Ngayon, class, pag-usapan natin yung initial measurement ni loan receivable. Okay. So, in the previous discussion, dinifferentiate ko sa inyo, class, yung initial and subsequent measurement ng accounts and notes receivable. This time, kay loan receivable naman tayo, no? So, initial measurement. Ayan. Tandaan nyo, class, ang initial measurement ng loan receivable fair value. Okay, class, fair value plus transaction cost. Okay. Let's start with the fair value. Okay, let's start with the fair value. Ano bang ibig sabihin, sir, ng fair value sa loan receivable? Hindi pareho yan, class, no, sa iba nating mga receivables. Ang fair value niya, class, is equivalent to the loan amount. So, ibig sabihin, this is equivalent to the principal. No, kung magkano yung pinautang, class, sa'yo, no? So, yung entry natin dito, no? So, let's have the journal entries in the books of the financial institution, no? Yung lender natin, yung fair value or loan amount niya dito, class, no? Yung entry natin would be debit loan receivable, diba? Class, debit loan receivable, credit cash. So, let's say 10 million pesos. So, just simply write 10 million pesos here, no? And then, credit cash, 10 million. Ngayon, class, ano naman itong transaction cost? So, ito, sir, ano naman to? Okay, makinig, class, no? So, sulat natin yung relationship ng borrower tsaka yung lender, no? So, halimbawa, ito si bank. No, class, ito si bank. So, here comes, no, the borrower. So, halimbawa, borrower si Tommy, no, sa Pepito Manaloto. Ayan, no, Pepito, my friend. Okay? So, si borrower, gusto niyang mangutang sa bangko. So, pupunta yan sa bangko, di ba, class? Ngayon, makinig. Sa tingin nyo ba, the moment nag-apply si borrower kay bangko na mangutang, let's say for 1 million pesos, automatic aaprobahan ba yan? Hindi. Anong mangyayari? Magkakaroon muna kasi, class, ng evaluation, no, or examination class. Ibig sabihin, i-check muna nila, no? I-background check muna ni bangko itong si borrower kung kumbaga karapat dapat siyang pautangin. Kung yung kanyang credit standing okay naman. So nung mangyayari, itong si bangko, i-check niya class yung kanyang records dun sa tinatawag nila kasing may association kasi class yung mga banking institutions, financial institutions, na kapag nasira itong si client, halimbawa sa credit card, automatic class, reflected siya doon. Parang may credit association class, no? Credit Management Association of the Philippines, CMAP. Parang gano'n, no? CMAP, CMAP. So, with that class, check ni bank kung may record siya doon. So, kung doon pa lang, mayroon ka ng bad record, si Tommy, doon sa credit card niya, or may unpaid loan siya class, no? Na blacklisted siya, magre-reflect doon. So, yun ang initial evaluation nila. So, halimbawa, chinek nila, wala pangalan niya doon, wala siyang record, malinis. Ano gagawin pa ni bangko? Papapuntahan niya class yung kanyang representative. So, yung bank representative class, no? Pupunta sila class dun sa source of funds ni borrower. So, halimbawa, sa kanyang trabaho class, no? Mag-i-interview tong representative. Is it not true na ganito ang sweldo ni borrower? Ganyan, no class? No? I-check nila yan. Gano'n na pa siya katagal magtrabaho. Mag-ocular visit tong representative. Yung work address ba niya? Totoo nga ba? Nag-e-exist ba yan? Gano'n na katagal tong kumpanya? I-evaluate ng bangko yan. Ang tawag nila kasi dito class is credit investigation. So, yung pag-investigate nila class, no, sa borrower, no, will entail costs. No, yung gastos mo dito, yun yung transaction cost, no? Nangyayari yan bago i-grant yung loan, no? So, yung mga gastos na to, kinakapitalize natin sa receivable, no? As receivable class. Take note of that, no? China-charge natin yan kay borrower. Okay? Okay. Sige. So, mga cost of evaluation class, no? More of, ganun yung gastos. Kinakapitalize siya. Okay? So, that increases the value of the loan receivable class, no? Okay. So, burahin ko muna itong part na to, no, class? Ngayon, makinig. I hope, no, nagsusulat kayo, no, while watching this video, class, no? Okay? Sige. Ngayon, okay. Itong transaction cost kasi, no, ang tawag dito kasi class, direct, no, origination cost. Okay, makinig, class. Ito kasi yung direct origination cost, class, no. This is charge, no, against the borrower. Ngayon, class, maingat. Take note, the word should be, or the cost should be direct. Big sabihin, traceable siya dun sa borrower. Kasi class, yung indirect cost, no, yung indirect cost natin, expense outright. Ito, no, expense outright. Ibig sabihin, it should not form part of your receivable. Okay? Hindi to kasali. Okay? Hindi to kasali. Dapat direct cost. Ngayon class, ano ba yung entry sa pag-charge mo ng direct origination cost kay borrower? So, ang entry mo dito, syempre, on the part of the lender, nagpautang siya, gumastos siya dito, pagka-credit ka ng cash sa pagbayad sa mga evaluators, okay? Sa investigators mo. Debit, ano yung entry natin dito? Class, no? Supposedly, it should be, no, loan receivable, okay? Yun nga lang, class, ang ginagamit na term ng book mo na class would be debit unearned interest income. Debit, okay, debit. Medyo maingat ka muna, class, no? Naka-debit siya, no? Mamaya, explain ko sa inyo to, no, class? Kasi normally, may mga advance payment itong si borrower. No? A portion, bayad na niya sa lender, sa bangko. Ang tawag doon, class, no? Origination cost receive. Class, no? Receive, no? From the borrower. So, may natanggap tayong a portion ng cash. So, debit cash, credit, unearned, ayan, no? Unearned interest income. Okay? Napansin mo, class, i-offset nyo itong dalawa. Kasi, sa pag-compute, class, ng initial measurement, no, ng loan receivable mo, fair value plus direct origination cost plus, no, minus origination cost received from the borrower. Ma-minus mo na, ikakaltas muna kasi may kinapitalize ka doon. Okay? Maging maingat ka dito. Ngayon, class, makinig. No? Yung standard class, binibigyan ka ng option na kung halimbawa, mas mataas yung origination cost received from the borrower to direct origination cost, no, charged against the borrower, ang gagamitin mo, class, unearned interest income. O, sige, sulat natin. Yung origination cost, class, no, yung origination cost. Ayan, no, yung origination cost, makinig. Yung origination cost charge is less than dun si amount received. Okay? Meron tayong unearned interest income. Sir, bakit unearned interest income? Mas mataas ng credit sa debit. So, anong effect nito? Anong effect, class? It increases your interest income. Yan. It increases your interest income. Okay? And what if yung origination cost charge is greater than the origination cost received? Baliktad. Actually, pwede rin unearned interest income with the debit balance. Kaso masagwa kasi tingnan kung debit balance ito, di ba? Kaso taas to dito. Pwede direct, no? Origination cost account, no? Origination cost account title, no? Pwedeng ganyan yung account title mo. Okay? So, baliktad naman. It decreases interest income. So, nababawasan to every end of reporting period. Okay? When you accrue interest. So, take note of that, no, class, no? Those items, yung ating transaction cost, no, class. Okay? So, I hope naiintindihan natin yung initial measurement. Pag initial measurement, fair value, yun yung loan amount, equivalent sa principal, kung magkano pinautang, debit, loan, receivable, credit, cash, plus transaction cost. Tandaan nyo, sa loan receivable lang, kinakapitalize ang transaction cost. So, note receivable, basically, tsaka AR, expense nila. Diba? Ignored. Ngayon, transaction cost mo, may direct, may indirect. Pag indirect cost, expense outright. Pag direct origination cost niyan, yung charge mo, increase. Plus, no? Ayan. Yung namang origination cost received from the borrower, minus. Yan, ha? So, binabawasan siya. Okay, kung tatanungin ka magkano initial measurement ng loan receivable, fair value plus direct origination cost charged against the borrower minus origination cost received from the borrower. Okay? No, class. No. Let's discuss subsequent measurement. So, ito yung pinakaabangan mo. So, from initial measurement, subsequent measurement. So, every end of the year, nire-measure mo yan. Okay? So, subsequent measurement class. I hope no, nakikita nyo yung sulat ko na class. Subsequent measurement. Ayan. Okay, so papaano naman yung subsequent measurement class? No, ang subsequent measurement, according to the standard, it should be at amortized cost. Amortized cost, no? Using effective interest rate. Yan. No? Effective interest rate. So, diniscuss ko sa inyo what is an effective interest rate class, no? Yun nga lang, we are talking about the amortization method here. Diniscuss ko sa inyo sa previous video na may iba-iba tayong klase ng amortization method. So, what we are using is effective interest rate, okay? Ngayon, class, makinig. Yung kasing subsequent measurement yan, no? Yung kasing nangyayari, di ba? Initially, di ba? Tapos, initial measurement, tapos, subsequent, di ba? Ito yung mga items. So, less, principal repayment. So, if you receive, no? An installment collection. So, ang entry mo dito, so yung journal entries natin, no? Hindi dapat makalimutan yan. So, yung journal entries natin dito, class, would be debit cash, credit, loan, receivable. Okay. Walang problema dito, di ba? Class, walang problema dyan, no? Okay lang kayo? Hello? No? Ngayon, class, dun tayo sa yung susunod. Ito. Oh, medyo komplikado yung susunod. Plus or minus, di ba? Plus or minus, sabi niya, no? Cumulative amortization, di ba? Of the difference no, between carrying amount and face value. Okay. Let's make this clear now with you, class. Yung cumulative amortization. Makinig, class, makinig. So, para mas maintindihan ninyo, class, no? Ayan. Iwalay natin, okay? Para hindi ka mahirapan. Makinig, no? Ganito. So, halimbawa lang, no? So, ito yung face value, no? Ito yung face value. Okay? Tapos, ito yung carrying amount mo, di ba? Ayan. Carrying amount mo. So, in this case, mas mataas ang face value sa carrying amount. Okay, ito naman, let's have, no, another naman, class, no? Scenario, baliktad, no, class? Tignan nyo. Face value, class, no, is less than the carrying amount. Okay, take note. When carrying amount is less than the face value, tandaan nyo, class, meron tayo ditong tinatawag nating no, discount. Okay, ano yun, sir? Discount. So, yung discount dito, class, makinig. This is in the form of unearned interest income. So, merong portion dito, class, no? May portion dito na kailangan mong i-fill up, no? So, mangyayari, yung unearned interest income mo dito, from time to time, nababawasan yan. And it increases your carrying amount. Because ang ultimate goal mo dito, class, at the end of the term of the loan, kailangan the carrying amount must be equal to face value. Okay? So, mangyayari, mag-add ka. So, add, no, amortization of discount. Later, class, I will explain yung amortization table. So, ano bang nangyayari kapag yung carrying amount, class, no, mas mababa sa face value? Makinig, no? Makinig, no? Take note, no? Isulat nyo yung mga to, class. It happens when, makinig, class, the effective interest rate, yung percentage, mas mataas sa nominal rate. So, limbawa, 10% yung interest na nasa face amount, i-discuss ko kanina, then yung effective interest rate, 12%. So, mas mataas yung actual interest dun sa interest na nare-receive. Okay? So, yung difference niyang class, yun yung amortization of discount. Ang journal entry mo dito would be debit unearned interest income, credit interest income. Okay? So, medyo just lang yung room temperature. Ilang class, ha? Okay, game, no? Game. So, tandaan nyo, class. Discount happens when effective interest rate is higher than the nominal rate. 12% higher than 10%. Okay? So, kapag ganyan, yung interest rate effective pataas sa nominal rate, asahan mo, yung initial measurement mo, mas mababa sa face value. So, kung 2021 ngayon, dapat, let's say, after 5 years, tumaas yan to the face value. So, ang goal mo, class, i-amortize mo yon para from carrying amount, maging siyang face value dun sa end of the term. Okay? Ito naman baliktad, class. When face value, class, is less than the carrying amount, may premium tayong tinatawag. So, may premium na, class. So, may premium. So, this happens, class, when the nominal rate is higher than the effective interest rate. Okay? So, dito, halimbawa, 14% ang nominal rate. Sorry, 10% pa rin, no, nominal rate. Ang effective rate mo, halimbawa, 7% lang, class. No? So, with that, class, may tinatawag tayong amortization of premium. Amortization of premium. Okay? Yung amortization of premium, tandaan nyo, class. Dito naman, less siya. Bakit less? Sir, bakit less dito? Dito, add. Ang effect sa principal, no? Kasi sobra siya. So, dapat, yung sobra na yan, class, bumalik siya sa face value. Okay? Ito kulang yung sa kaliwa. Discount. So, dadagdag siya. Yung premium, sobra, mababawasan dapat. Para mag-meet sila halfway, the carrying amount and face value will be the same or equal. Okay, class? So, tandaan nyo muna, no? Kapag may discount, tandaan nyo, class, ha? Kapag may discount, effective interest rate, nominal rate, tandaan nyo, class, ha? Ang effect ng amortization ng discount, class, no? It increases interest income. It increases interest income. Sa kabila, class, it decreases interest income. Okay? Yun ang pinagkaiba nila. Okay tayo ng class? Sige. Ngayon, class, mayroon tayong pangatlo na subsequent measurement, yung less impairment loss. Pero bago tayo mag-proceed doon, turuan ko muna kayo doon sa amortization table. Yung effects nito ng discount at saka ng premium. Okay? Sige. So, burahin ko muna ito, class, no? Burahin ko muna ito, class, no? Dali lang, ha? Okay. Okay na kayo, class? Okay. So ngayon, class, no? Pag-usapan natin yung amortization table. Okay? Yan, no? Yung amortization table mo. Okay? So, halimbawa, ito yung amortization table natin. Class, no? Okay. May nakikita po ba? Hello? Nakikita po ba, class? Check ko lang, no? Okay, nakikita naman. So, halimbawa, no, ito yung date. Class, ito yung interest receive. Diba? Interest receive. Tapos, ito yung interest income. Okay, class? Ito yung amortization. Okay? Tapos, ito yung carrying amount. Diba? So, limbawa, we were able, class, to measure the carrying amount beginning of the year, January 1, 2021. So, limbawa, ito siya. Ito yung carrying amount mo. Okay? Makinig, class, to makinig. Ngayon, class, babayaran daw yung loan ng December 31, 2025. Okay? So, ito, lump sum. Tandaan nyo, ito yung magiging face value niya, di ba? Ito yung face value. Di ba, class? Tandaan mo, tandaan mo. Makinig, class, ha? Makinig. Kapag, no, issued at discount class, no? Ang mangyayari, yung carrying amount mo dito, di ba? Nag-a-add ka lang lagi ng amortization. So, for 5 years, nag-a-amortize ka. Okay? Ito yung amortization ng discount. Kapag issued at discount. Paano naman, sir? I am referring to carrying amount, tapos i-convert ng face value, no? What if it is issued at premium? Okay? Kapag issued at premium, yung carrying amount mo mas mataas. Diba? So, ang effect, nagbabawas ka lang dito. Hanggang sa maging yung face value. Para mabayaran siya at face value. So, equal siya dito. Dito, hindi siya parehas. So, tatandaan nyo. So, pag issue at discount, diba, ang carrying amount class, no, is less than the face value. Dito, baliktad. Yung carrying amount is higher than the face value. So, tatandaan nyo. Yun ang effect niya. Ngayon, sir, paano makukuha itong amortization, sir? Itong amortization. Paano to kuha-computent? Ayan, amortization, no? Ito yung amortization mo kapag lump sum payment. Paano yung amortization, sir? Yung difference ng interest received less interest income. Yun yung amortization mo. Depende kung mag-add ka or minus. Kung discount or premium. Paano kasi yung discount, sir? Carrying amount is less than face value. Or tignan mo yung interest rate, no? Yung effective interest rate mas mataas. Class, no? Sa nominal rate. Ito baliktad. Nominal rate is higher than effective interest rate. Okay? Binibigyan ko kayo, class, ng summary niya. Ngayon, class, sir, paano ba mag-compute ng interest received? Yung interest received mo, class, ang computation mo dito, no? Class, no, yung computation mo dito, face amount times nominal rate. Yan ang rason ba't tinuro ko yung nominal rate sa inyo kanina. So, expected, class, yung interest received mo, fix yan, no? Fix yan. So, kung December 31, 2021, December 31, 2022, December 31, 2023, December 31, 2024, tandaan nyo, fix itong interest received mo. No? Fix yan. Fix lagi ang interest received. Tandaan nyo, no? Fix yan. Okay? Class, no? So, ito, fixed, no? Equal. Okay, equal. Yung interest income mo, paano naman computed? Ito, variable to. Okay. Paano yung variable, sir? basis ng interest income, as I've discussed to you in the last video, carrying amount na class times effective interest rate. So, yung magkano yung carrying amount mo dito times percentage. So, nagbabago yan. Okay? Nagbabago yan, class. Ngayon, sir, paano mo mapapatunayan sa amin na yung amortization na effect sa carrying amount? Ganito kasi yan. Yung fixed interest receive mo dito, may journal entry ka dyan eh. Okay? So, ito yung mga journal entries natin. Sa fixed interest receive, ang entry mo dyan, debit cash, no? Credit, interest income. Okay? Pero kulang yon. Okay? Okay, accrued debit cash, credit, accrued interest receivable. Yung namang interest income mo dito, class, no? Yung entry mo naman dito, debit, no? Accrued interest receivable, class, no? Makinig, no? And then credit, interest income. Tapos, meron ka ditong portion nung kanyang unearned interest. Yung difference yan, class, yun yung unearned interest mo. So, kung titignan mo, class, makinig, class, yung difference nito, no, basically, yun yung ina-amortize mo. Medyo maging maingat lang kayo, class, kasi yung iba, ang ginagawa, instead na interest income yung dito, credit, no, accrued interest receivable. Ganyan siya. No, ito naman, credit interest income, debit accrued interest receivable. Ngayon, yung difference kasi niyan, class, ang mangyayari, no? Ang mangyayari, ina-amortize mo siya. So, ang effect niyan, it's either it increases your receivable or it decreases. So, kapag discount ito, class, increase. No? So, mangyayari, yung difference nito, ayan, no? Yung amortization dito, class, no, might increase or decrease, no? So, yung effect niyan, dito siya, ganyan, no? Hanggang sa maging siyang face value. Ayan, no? Face value. Yan ang magiging goal mo, no? Yan ang magiging goal mo. Tandaan nyo, class, tandaan nyo, no? Yung interest receive mo dito, may fixed na interest ka, okay? Dito naman, class, ino-compute niya yung tamang interest mo. Okay? So, kung tatanungin niyo ko how to compute the correct interest income, ito yung basis mo. No? Yung nasa interest income computation, carrying amount times effective interest rate. Okay? Sige. Ayan, class, no? So, okay lang mga class, no? We are done with the second, no, part ng subsequent measurement, yung decrease, class, no, or increase due to cumulative amortization, no, of the difference between the carrying amount and the face value of the loan receivable. Ngayon, class, okay, no? So, yung pangatlong pwedeng magka-apekto, class, no? Sa ating receivable balance, subsequent measurement, yung impairment loss. No? Yung impairment loss. Ayan. Okay, makinig, class. Bakit nagkakaroon ng impairment loss? So, pag-usapan natin itong impairment loss. Actually, no, I just want to clarify first, no. There's no such method prescribed by the standard PFRS 9. Anong dapat mong gamitin? Okay? Merong 3-stage or 3-step, no, na parang basis in computing for loan, that is to be used, class, for kumbaga, no, actual practice, no, when you compute for loan impairment. However, again, no, there's nothing in the standard that prescribes which method is to be used. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung konsepto ng impairment loss? Ganito kasi, of course, no, bilang isang lender, no, take note class, no, bilang isang lender, so lender assumes what? Credit risk, di ba? Ano ba yung credit risk? Risk means panganib, di ba? Yung credit risk class dito, yung uncertainty of collection, yung possibility na ma-default yung borrower or yung debtor, diba class? With that, no, it's the same with the estimation of doubtful accounts. There is a portion that you are estimating na uncollectible na. So ngayon class, no, kung yahalin tulad natin ang accounts receivable, no, sa isang baso ng tubig, no, ayan, no, ayan ang accounts receivable mo, no? The entire, no, class size of the accounts receivable pertains to your, no, face value, okay, or your current valuation. Ngayon, class, yung kanya naman, no, yung kanyang difference or carrying amount, no, yung namang carrot na laman ng tubig mo ng baso, ito naman yung ating present value of estimated future cash flows. Kasi nangyayari, nagkakaroon ka na ng reassessment, no? Nagkakaroon ka na kasi ng doubt sa uncollectibility. Yung nawawalang portion dito, yun ang impairment loss. So you have to write down and recognize impairment loss. Okay? So ngayon, class, walang problema sa face value or carrying amount, di ba? Given yan. So, compute mo na yan. Itong yung challenge sa'yo, yung present value of estimated future cash flows. Kasi, class, no, magkakaroon ka ng assessment dun sa collectibility. Ng alin, class? Yung collectibility ng principal balance, no, class? Tsaka yung collectibility of interest. Okay? So, let's say, hindi mo na makokolekta yung interest, hindi mo na pe-present value yun. No, class? Yung collectibility ng principal balance na ng class, no, discounted at original rate. So, kung paano yung original effective interest rate mo dito, yun ang basis natin. So, that would be for the impairment loss. Ngayon, class, lastly, yung impairment loss mo dito, which is a decrease in the receivable, pwede yung maging, class, no, direct yung kanyang write-off, deduction, no, class, or pwedeng magkaroon ng allowance, no, for impairment. Yun nga lang, regardless, still, ang i-recognize mo, debit impairment loss, which is an expense, and credit, no, a contra asset account or an asset account in the form of receivable. Ang net effect, parehas lang deduction. Okay, class? So, that would be all for today. No? If you have questions pertaining to loan receivable, feel free to ask me. Okay? God bless us all.